Okay, Peyton, do the monkey thing. Get ready and snap it. Good job. Good job, honey. Ready to do it again? Do the monkey thing. Okay, here it comes. Watch the ball. And snap. Good job. Good.
Like a bowling ball.
You want to do it again, Peyton? Do the monkey thing. Get ready. Keep your eye on the ball, Peyton. Get ready and snap. Oh! Nice try. Woo! That was a good throw. Okay, you want to do it again? Do you want to do it again? Do you like it, huh? Fun, isn't it? Get ready to do the monkey thing. Get ready. Keep your eye on the ball. You got to be ready to snap it. Oh! Nice try. Good job. You're thirsty? Okay, there's Mommy's water right there. Right by your t-shirt, Peyton? Yep.
Look down. Look. Watch the ball. You gotta watch the ball so you can catch it. Here it comes. Hey, here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Get it. Good job. Now roll it to me.
Okay, it's not football, baby.
Good job.
Was he doing diving? Not that season, baby. It's baseball. Look at how Mika throw the ball.
You gonna try it again? Okay, remember, keep your eye on the ball. There you go, good job.
We got 2 teams out here right now. Sort them out. To see who's our good team, but they give us 2.
Hey, Peyton, we gotta take a break for a minute, okay?